Just a quick video to show the progress of my garden. I have been away from it for a few weeks. I had somebody else watering it, and then my schedule got away from me, and part of my schedule is not my own, and that happens with us gardeners. But look how full some of my flower boxes have gotten. Oh, and then this is going to be something I'll tell you about in another video. So keep an eye out for these mystery plants coming up in a future video. Please subscribe to my channel. But what I'm noticing is that I have tomatoes in here I gotta pick. In fact, they probably needed to pick about a week or so ago. I'm hoping they're still good. The other thing I gotta do is, can you believe it, on the other side of this, that is all weeds on that side. And I'm pretty sure this is a weed too. Don't know what this is, some mystery thing. I have got to get to this. I just don't know when. Even now, it's almost 8 o'clock at night, and I am just now making dinner. So that happens with us gardeners. Life happens. Things get away from us, but that's okay. Just keep rolling with the punches. Now, let's see what I can harvest. I'm going to reach in here, and I got one. I'm going to put it in my basket. I'm going to bring the basket closer. Let's try this way. Okay. I see 3. I'm not hopeful about that third one. I think I just saw bugs crawling on it. We'll see. Oh, yeah. See, look. It's split open. Don't know if that one can be saved. Okay. Now, let's see about... I'm going to try to hold this with one hand and pick these with the others. Can you guys even see that? I got too much in front. Let's see if I can. There you go. There's 2 more in here. Oh, not even. There, see here. Oh, that's a small one. There we go. Oh, look at that. I'm so excited. I spy a pepper back here. Let's see if you guys can see it. There it is. There it is. Nice big green bell pepper. My husband said he saw 2 red tomatoes while he was watering. I didn't see them, so I came back out, and sure enough, there they are. Just got them. Happy gardening, and please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.